Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tim Squalo and let's talk about Bitcoin and let's see what is happening and let me tell you exactly what I'm thinking, because we are seeing another major sell-off and people are calling for Bitcoin that it's the end, it's the doomsday, and we're going down like right now down to $23,000 and a lot of people are opening some leverage short trades. So I really wanted to offer my quick take on this and tell you whether you should be like shorting it down to zero right now or not, because when we have such a situation happening and everything is so negative, everything is going down, that whenever we see a sell-off with some kind of a volume, that everybody starts screaming and panicking and just throwing in the towel. So before you do anything, just watch this video from the beginning and until the end, a really quick update. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button, always appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And as always, down in the description of this video, there is a link to my free Telegram channel, which is a great community. And also, it is a great place to be as a trader, learn a lot of things. And it's also a place where I oftentimes post much faster than on YouTube. Okay, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So, guys and girls, what did I tell ya yesterday? Call me Mr. Spot On, as always, down in the comments. And I mean, this side movish market, just nothing is happening. A bunch of hopium and then dopium, hopium, dopium. So, but even in this market, we managed to make money. Congratulations, because we entered into a long trade right here. And where did we leave the long trade? Right here, guys and girls. So perfect, spot on trade. 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So call me Mr. Spot On and I'm happy to provide you with some money. So that's awesome. Okay, so and now it's very simple currently, a very simple outlook that we were rejected by this level right here, which is 31,500 or so. And I was thinking maybe I could find a place to short it, and I really was considering to short Bitcoin maybe at this level right here, so at about $32,000. But the best place to short it would be if we had some hopium in the market. Let's just go to the daily chart, and if we would have gone to retest the area of right here, like 35,000, which would be a part of this downward channel, the falling wedge. So it would be really cool to find a real nice short trade down here. But so far it seems like we're gonna be just staying in here. So getting to the topic. And of course, as always, a quick Bybit shield because remember, when you adjust your expectations correctly and not one of those moon boys on YouTube and guys who are just always longing to space and yes, just doing nothing but longing to space and getting liquidated, and all of their followers get liquidated together with them. This is not one of these channels. So for that, please hit that like button. And yeah, so even in this kind of vicinity, we can still make money with these ups and downs and finding some interesting trades and whatever is going to be happening. And I will always update you. But of course, a quick Bybit shield that if you want to be taking these trades yourself and you've done your research and you're following me and you understand what you're doing, then look no further than Bybit. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit, as well as for 30 days, you'll get 0% maker fees, which is going to make you save a lot of money. And by the way, remember, guys and girls, for those of you who are trading on Bybit, who used my link, there is a huge $10,000 giveaway happening right here. And I'm going to link a video on this giveaway somewhere up here. You can check out the whole video. I'm giving away a bunch of cash as well as a lot of my famous university-grade trading education. So if you want a chance to become one of my students or you want to win some cash, then become a Bybit trader right now. Go watch that video and participate. It's it's a free participation for those who are trading together with me on Bybit. So in this instance, let's get to the main topic: is why did this happen? Well, the answer is very simple. We cannot really currently, as I said before, we cannot really expect Bitcoin to just rally to the moon. So for that reason, we don't really have that kind of sentiment in the market. Everybody's afraid of the inflation, this, and that. So in the best case scenario, as I've said before, if we exclude the situation of hopium, FOMO, and maybe a retest of 35K, then what we can expect is just a side movish activity. So for that reason, I'm also saying that it's not very likely currently, unless we're going to see a catalyst event for a massive sell-off, and I'm going to show it to you in just a second, which could happen. Then our option number one, as I just said, just dangle along, do nothing, just like this, like we've seen in previous bear markets, which is actually, you can go back in history and see that's the way just it was at the bottom of certain bear markets, all bear markets. And the other option is for us to actually trend downwards, maybe retest this local low of about $25,000, maybe dip it slightly lower, come back, and then do some side move activity. This is option number 2. So, but we cannot really say right now, because we had this sell-off right here, this is just going to continue down straight to 25K with no reason. So we really need a catalyst. So one of which is being, now let me just find it out, not this one, where is it? Right here. So today, U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis will release her highly anticipated Bitcoin bill in Wyoming. So we really want to see what it's going to look like. We've seen the draft already, but we really want to see how it's going to play out. If it's going to classify all the altcoins as securities, it's not going to be very good at all for the altcoins, and I'm quite worried about it, to be honest. But for Bitcoin, it could be quite good. So when we were talking just in general about Bitcoin, with everything, the way that it's looking and the sentiment that Cynthia Lummis has, because she is actually a proponent more or less of Bitcoin, I would say. So for that reason, like crypto friendly. So I'm thinking that we're not really going to do very much. So again, I'm going to stick by the concept of us having some kind of a side move. And also very important today is tomorrow that Ethereum, Ropsten, now ready to transition to proof of stake. Ropsten network is their test network. So finally, they're going to be hopefully moving it to, let's just find where it is. So yeah, basically, according to recent GitHub data, Ethereum's testnet Ropsten seems ready for the merge experiment. As earlier shared by Ethereum core developer Tim whoever, the Ethereum's network longest lived POW testnet is moving to proof of stake, with the merge expected around June 8th on the network. And remember that if everything is going to play out and everything is going to be great, then of course Ethereum is going to complete the main merge potentially on the mainnet as early as in August. And let's take a look at the Ethereum price just really quickly. And you're gonna see actually that there has been a massive sell-off just now also in Ethereum, and you'll see it right here. And by the way, where did we stop? Let's take off the volumes. It's not in damn way. And we're gonna see that again, we were supported by this line right here. Your technical analysis doesn't work. If you don't know how to use technical analysis, it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. So we had a nice sell-off right here as well if we're gonna go to the 4-hour chart. So yeah, basically big sell-off, and a lot of people maybe are currently scared of what's gonna come out of this bill of Cynthia Lummis, and if it's gonna, actually deem every altcoin as a security, then Ethereum is going to suffer from it as well. However, nonetheless, what I'm still sticking by, because I bought some, as you might remember, I did this big Ethereum video. I'm going to link it somewhere up here. I did a big video on it, that if everything plays out as planned with the test, then we might see a retest of 20. We could go as high as the retest of this area of about $2,600 if the merge completes finally in August, September, October. So that's something that really want to be watching tomorrow, because this is going to be huge, and I'm going to be keeping you guys and girls updated. And of course, for Bitcoin and general cryptocurrencies, remember 10th of June CPI report, 14th, 15th is Fed meeting, and then on the 30th is going to be a personal consumptions for expenditures index, also inflation. So, and that's going to be, in my opinion, also a potential catalyst event for us to finally pick a direction. So thank you very much for watching. I'll probably do another video today. Let me know down in the comments which topic should I pick, because I have to run to a meeting right now. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Qualo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.